Platonic solid is a three-dimensional, regular and convex polyhedron. What makes a Platonic solid so special is that all shapes, angles and sides are equal. There are 5 solids that meet this criterion. These are the tetrahedron with 4 faces, the cube with 6 faces, octahedron with 8 faces, dodecahedron with 12 faces, and icosahedron with 20 faces. For example, the cube is a Platonic solid as each face is the same size and 3 squares meet at every vertex. Each Platonic solid also obeys Euler's relationship of number of faces plus number of vertices equals number of edges plus 2.
There is little account of who and when the solids were discovered, but it is theorized that Pythagoras in the 500s BCE knew of the cube, tetrahedron and dodecahedron, and that the Athenian mathematician Theaetetus was the first to discuss the octahedron and the icosahedron. The group of regular polyhedron known today owe their name to the Athenian philosopher Plato. He believed that the 4 basic elements, air, fire, water and earth, formed all matter through different combinations. Plato then assigned a Platonic solid to each element. The tetrahedron was fire, the cube was earth, and the octahedron and icosahedron were air and water. Lastly, he assigned the dodecahedron, that has 12 pentagonal faces, to the heavens because of their 12 constellations. As a result of Plato's theory surrounding the universe and the 5 polyhedra, they became known as Platonic solids. Throughout history, the Platonic solids have been used for their mathematical properties by astronomers and mathematicians such as Johannes Kepler, who used the solids to explain the distance between each of the first 5 planets, as well as by Renaissance artists such as Leonardo da Vinci, who drew the dodecahedron for the 1509 book by Luca Pacioli, The Divine Proportion.
This mainly impacted Johannes Kepler as he was able to explain the distance between the first 5 planets using ratios of their circumradius and inradius. Although now in modern mathematics they were able to disprove his ratios, as the measurements of these radii are now more accurate, making his proof more arguably similar instead of the same. Because of the discovery of the 4th dimension, they have now found the 6th Platonic solid, which only works in the 4th dimension, the hyperdiamond or the icosatetracoron, or the 4D equivalent of the rhombic dodecahedron. A lot of components within modern games are now also based within Platonic solids, such as die and the Rubik's Cube.
Platonic solids surround us in our everyday lives, whether we know it or not. The symmetry, structural integrity and beauty of these solids make up the world that we live in. This starts as small as strong microscopic organisms in the shape of these solids, including algae and diamonds, which form together to create a strong bond. Today, Platonic solids surround us every day in the architecture of our modern world. Complex architecture, which is a combination of simple Platonic solids arranged in a way pleasing to the eye. This combination has been used for years, such as the ancient pyramids in the shape of half an octahedron, a simple structure which has been admired by many for years.